Welcome back. If you're looking for the best soft truck bed covers in 2026, you're in the right place. A quality soft tonneau cover does more than just improve your truck's appearance. It helps protect your cargo from rain, dust, UV and even theft, while adding a sleek, streamlined look. With so many options on the market, choosing the right one can be challenging. That's why we've done the research for you. In this video, we'll count down the 5 best soft truck bed covers of 2026, selected for their durability, weather protection, ease of installation, build quality, and overall value. Whether you're after a budget-friendly option or a premium cover built to last, there's something here for every truck owner. Be sure to watch until the end to see our top pick. Now, let's get started and find the perfect soft truck bed cover for your truck. Number 5. The Rough Country Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover for the 2020-2026 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 2500 HD/3500 HD is an excellent, budget-friendly solution designed to protect your cargo from theft and unpredictable weather while maintaining full bed utility. Built with a corrosion-resistant, black powder-coated 6061 aluminum frame and high-quality marine grain vinyl, it offers a surprisingly premium matte appearance. Its unique design aspect is its ultra-low profile, sitting a mere 1 8 inches above the bed rails to optimize aerodynamics and enhance the truck's rugged aesthetic. In terms of ease of use, the cover shines with a quick-release, single cable pull mechanism that unlatches the spring-loaded system instantly, letting you roll it tightly against the cab in seconds for hauling oversized loads. Real-life scenarios reveal that its heavy-duty hook and loop side seals and integrated perimeter barriers form a highly effective weatherproof shield against driving rain and highway dust, though minor water tracking can occasionally occur at the tailgate corners during intense storms. When compared to premium competitors like the Trucedo Low Pro, which features an automatic tension control system and a lifetime warranty for nearly double the price, the Rough Country model holds its ground remarkably well by offering an equally sleek layout and a solid 20-minute no-drill clamp installation. Priced at approximately $200, it provides exceptional value for money, offering robust everyday performance without the premium markup. I highly recommend this tonneau cover for truck owners who need reliable everyday weather protection and quick bed access, but do not require the high security theft prevention of a locking hard shell. It is a smart, economical investment that balances aesthetic appeal, functionality, and long-term durability. Number 4. The MOSTPLUS 6.5 FT Roll-Up Soft Vinyl Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Custom designed for the 2009-2026 Ford F-150 style side, serves as a highly functional, entry-level shield meant to protect cargo from theft and unpredictable weather while retaining full, unrestricted bed access. Built around a durable, powder-coated aluminum frame with heavy-duty aluminum clips, the cover features a dual-layer, waterproof marine-grade vinyl tarp designed to resist rain and tears. A unique design aspect is its US patented structure featuring a sleek, on-top rail alignment integrated with high-performance industrial Velcro side tracks, and an adjustable tension system on the locking straps, which keeps the vinyl remarkably tight and taut to reduce wind wear. Adding to its ease of use are the double tailgate paddle latches, which securely lock the cover automatically when the tailgate is shut and can only be unlatched from the inside, providing seamless single-step security. In real-life scenarios, the included extra perimeter weather stripping bulkhead seal effectively holds back dust, snow, and light rain, though like most soft roll-ups, minimal tracking may appear at the tailgate seams during torrential downpours. When compared to premium competitors like the Tyger Auto T1, which offers a similar roll-up profile but features an upgraded dual-stage latching system and slightly thicker tarp materials for a higher price point, the MOSTPLUS model matches it in day-to-day functionality and includes a bonus built-in LED bed light for night utility. Priced affordably under $200, it offers exceptional value for money and an incredibly fast 20-minute no-drill clamp installation. I highly recommend this tonneau cover for everyday Ford F-150 owners, contractors, and road trippers who need a cost-effective, straightforward way to keep their gear dry and hidden without spending a fortune on a hard shell alternative. Number 3. The Gator Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Custom engineered for the 2019-2026 Chevy/GMC Silverado/Sierra 1500. Functions as a highly practical, streamlined shield designed to protect tools and luggage from opportunistic theft and unpredictable weather while maintaining full access to the truck bed. Constructed with an industrial-strength, powder-coated aluminum frame and a heavy-duty, tear-resistant marine-grade vinyl tarp, the cover is built to withstand intense sun exposure and freezing temperatures. A unique design aspect is its ultra-low profile, inboard mounting side rails that sit remarkably flush with the truck bed caps, drastically minimizing wind drag and providing a clean, customized appearance. Operating the Tonneau is exceptionally easy. It features quick-release rear trigger latches that unlock the system instantly, allowing the cover to roll smoothly against the cab bulkhead, where it is secured with dual nylon storage straps for transporting oversized cargo. Real-life scenarios prove that its integrated structural support bows effectively prevent rain pooling and high-speed highway flapping, and while its robust hook and loop side seals and perimeter weather stripping provide an effective defense. Minor water tracking may occur near the tailgate corners during intense car washes or severe storms. When compared to premium competitors like the Truexido True Export, which shares a similar rolling layout but mounts on top of the bed rails and raises the truck's profile by 1.5 inches, the Gator cover provides a much sleeker aesthetic and features an automatic tension control system that keeps the vinyl tight across changing seasonal climates without manual adjustments. Priced around $200, it offers exceptional value for money and features an effortless 20-minute no-drill clamp installation using only basic hand tools. I highly recommend this cover for truck owners, weekend adventurers, and daily commuters who want reliable cargo protection and a modern, low-profile look without the premium expense of a hard-folding shell. Number 2. The soft trifold truck bed tonneau cover, designed for the 2009-2026 Dodge Ram 1500, serves as a robust and highly convenient solution aimed at protecting your cargo from opportunistic theft and harsh weather conditions. Built with a heavy-duty, commercial-grade 24-ounce marine vinyl top that is highly UV-resistant and cold crack treated. The cover is supported by an aircraft-grade aluminum alloy frame with integrated horizontal crossbows for maximum structural integrity. A unique design aspect is its pre-assembled modular trifold structure combined with patented quick-release snap clamps, which makes it incredibly easy to use. You can fold it back and secure it with heavy-duty nylon straps in under a minute for quick access to 2/3 of the truck bed. In real-life scenarios, the cover performs exceptionally well on the highway, with its robust frame eliminating wind flapping, and its built-in perimeter weather stripping and front bulkhead seal, creating a reliable barrier against heavy rain and snow, keeping the bed completely dry aside from minimal water entry around the tailgate step seams during extreme pressure washes. When compared to soft roll-up competitors like the Lund Genesis roll-up, which requires mounting continuous side rails and meticulous alignment of hook and loop fasteners every time you close it, this soft trifold offers much faster operation, a more solid structural backbone, and requires zero bed rail modifications. Priced affordably under $200, it represents exceptional value for money by providing the security and structural stability of more expensive covers at a fraction of the cost. I highly recommend this tonneau cover for Dodge Ram 1500 owners, outdoor enthusiasts, and everyday commuters who need reliable, water-resistant cargo protection and a no-hassle 10-minute installation process without the bulk or high cost of a hard folding cover. Number 1. The Tyger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Custom engineered for the 2019-2026 Chevy Silverado GMC Sierra 1500. Serves as an ultra-reliable aerodynamic cargo shield built to protect your gear from theft and severe weather. Constructed with a heavy-duty, dual-coated 24-ounce marine-grade vinyl top, the cover is supported by a robust aircraft-grade aluminum alloy frame with powder-coated horizontal crossbars that ensure long-lasting structural integrity. A unique design aspect is its patented pre-assembled modular layout featuring horizontal glass-filled nylon clamps that fold seamlessly away into integrated storage pockets, avoiding any contact that could scratch your truck's factory finish. In terms of ease of use, the T3 is unmatched. It can be fully installed in under 15 minutes using a no-drill clamp-on system and features quick-release rear latches that allow you to fold and secure the cover into a compact trifold layout against the cab using heavy-duty nylon straps. In real-life scenarios, the T3 performs flawlessly at highway speeds with zero wind flapping or distracting noise, and its continuous perimeter weather stripping keeps the bed remarkably dry, holding back car wash spray and torrential downpours except for negligible moisture at the tail cap seams. When compared to entry-level competitors like the MaxMate Soft Tri-Fold, the Tyger T3 stands out significantly by utilizing thicker vinyl, sturdier structural hinges, and offering a limited lifetime warranty compared to MaxMate's shorter coverage. Priced competitively around $230, it delivers phenomenal value for money, easily punching above its weight class by matching the quality of options nearly double its price. I highly recommend the Tyger T3 for DIY truck owners, daily commuters, and outdoor enthusiasts who need quick, tool-free access to their truck bed alongside robust, year-round weather sealing without the premium expense of a hard folding cover. And that wraps up our list of the 5 best soft truck bed covers in 2026. We hope this comparison made it easier to find the perfect cover for your truck, whether you're looking for better weather protection, added security, or the best value for your money. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check the links in the description for the latest prices and more details on each product. We'd also love to hear from you. Let us know in the comments which truck bed cover is your favorite, or if there's another great option we should feature in a future video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest truck reviews, product comparisons, and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.